Well, uncle.
If we follow this timeline, everything will be ready.
This is excellent planning, my dear. It will be a wonderful celebration.
And so the harvest brought great joy to the village that year.
Indeed, the earth provides for us all.
You two are doing a wonderful job over there.
It's almost completely clean, Grandma.
It smells wonderful already.
Yes, the chilies are fresh today. Welcome you all.
Happy greetings, Auntie. We missed you.
Run faster, everyone! I'm gonna beat you to the tree! Wait for me!
Welcome home, Aira. It is good to see you.
Thank you, respected elder. I have missed you all. Namaste. Welcome, everyone. Please come in. Thank you so much.
The house looks beautiful.
The rangoli is absolutely beautiful, my dear.
Thank you, Uncle. I'm glad you like it.
And these flowers smell divine.
I remember playing marbles under this very tree when I was their age.
You are much naughtier than they are.
Yes, I hit it.
Welcome. We are so glad you could make it.
Thank you for having us. And the atmosphere here is beautiful.
Here, have another one. They are fresh off the griddle. Eat this while it's fresh. It's perfectly cooked.
It smells wonderful. Thank you, child.
We are so grateful for your generosity.
Here, try this one. It turned out perfectly this time.
It smells incredible. Thank you, dear.
We are so happy you are here.
Aira, the food is wonderful. You have outdone yourself.
This is the best meal we've had in a long time.
Please, may I have another one? They are so good.
Yes, me too, please.
Make sure you try the dessert. It turned out perfectly.
Wow, it smells so good. Please, have some more. Everything is so delicious tonight.
Yes, the food is wonderful. We are so...
May you always walk in the light.
May the gods protect you and grant you a long, happy life.
Goodbye, Grandma and Grandpa. We'll miss you.
Goodbye, children. Come back soon.